Ah, my teeth. My teeth got stuck. Okay. Rewind again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be doing my monthly subscription beauty box, BOXYCHARM. Finally, I got my monthly subscription beauty box today. No, not today, yesterday. So I haven't get to film it yesterday. So I am very excited for today's vlog because we're gonna do an unboxing and at the same time, we're gonna try it on all the good stuff that I got for this box. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside my box. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this box. So actually I'm not sure, is it regular box or BOXYCHARM, because it looks bigger than the normal BOXYCHARM. So I'm not really sure, is it regular one or the BOXYCHARM one. So okay guys, this is what it's look like. It's big box. I don't know, I'm not sure, is it the regular one or the BOXYCHARM, because it bigger than the regular box. So by the way, we're gonna open it. I haven't opened it yet. I was really excited. So oh, this is what it look like. They have those BOXYCHARM when you open it like that, and this is gonna, and ooh, and they have this paper. Oh, I like the motif today. It's pink BOXYCHARM. It looks like a Valentine motif, and they have pictures and all the items that they put it on the box. So oh, I like popping this already. Oh my god, I do love popping this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I am very excited. So first product that we're gonna try on today's video is this Evo Beauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So it says these biodegradable multitasking Evo Skin X Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin dehydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to refuse inflammable and avoid irritation. So this wipes is $10. Actually, this is good because I'm running out of makeup wipes. So this is what it looks. Oh, it smells really good. I love the smell. So we're gonna put this. It has those smells, really good smells, this wipes. So yay, I'm excited to use this to take off my makeup because it says even waterproof makeup, and it's really good. So okay, that's the first that's the first product that we have in the box, this Evo Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It does smells really good. So next items is this Amica Supernova Moisturizing Shine Cream. Supernova Moisturizing Plus Shine Cream is a weightless leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft and smooth with brilliant shine. So this is $25. So I'm excited. I really love BOXYCHARM. When it comes, they have those skincare product. I do really love their skincare. They're really good skincare, by the way, guys. So this is the second one, and this is $25. Third one is this. Ooh, that's so pretty. Third one is this Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. This vegan and cruelty 3 free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and brightening brush suitable for all skin type, delivering a flawless finish. Ooh, this one is $36. Expensive for the brush. They're really heavy and nice brush. I love the color. It's like rose gold. So this is $36. The second to the last is, oh, beauty blender. This is so cute. So this one is illuminating cosmetic sponge, and it says an edgeless reusable high definition cosmetic sponge applicator, and this one is $21. The last item is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. It says create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day to night looks. Oh my god, this is cost $62. This one is expensive. I heard about this brand, Iconic London. They do have it in Ulta, and actually they're really expensive brand. I haven't checked it out in Ulta, but I hear that this brand is really expensive at Ulta. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this thing is expensive. $62 for this eyeshadow palette. And when you open it, this is, oh, they have those mirror. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Really pretty eyeshadow. Oh, and then they have 20 shades on it. So, oh my god. Okay, let's move on. First, we're gonna try on this beauty blender. So I already wet it. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna put foundation on my beauty blender and start blending it to my face. Ooh. Otherwise, I'm gonna play with the foundation. So this is, we'll see what it's look like. So we're gonna see how I'm gonna like the beauty blender. Actually, the beauty blender is really soft when I start doing it on my face. So that's what I'm gonna see. I love playing makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. I just love playing with it. So okay, done with the foundation. Let's move on to what next. Ooh, we're gonna go ahead and try the eyeshadow palette. All right, let's move on to the eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm so excited. There's a lot of option to play with. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. Guys, I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I'm just gonna play with this eyeshadow that I got for this month. So okay guys, done playing with the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is really nice. It's really pigmented, it's really soft. When you start applying it to your skin, it's really soft. You can see it's easy to apply it into your eyelid. So I'm gonna finish my eyes real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just put concealer under my eye, so we're gonna use it again one more time, the beauty blender that we got for today's box. This is what it looks like. Yay, the beauty blender is so soft. So this is it's what it look like to our face. Okay, let's move on to the brush. So I don't even know which one is the for contour. We got three beautiful brush. Ooh, oh, this is so cute. Look at it, guys. Really cute packaging, very pretty. I love the color. So maybe this one is for contour, so we're gonna go try it to contour our face. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's really soft. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this bronze to contour my face. Oh yeah, it's, oh my god, it's really soft brush. So I don't know how to contour. I'm just gonna play. You know what? This bronze, I can use it like a blush as well. So this is really nice brush. So yeah, I'm using it as a blush. At the same time, they have those shimmer. Did you see the difference, guys? When I'm not applying contour yet. Full over, we're just gonna play with it. I don't know how to do makeup, guys. I just adore makeup. So it doesn't matter, you don't know how to do makeup. Just play with it and call it like good. That's why I do all the time. So okay, done with the, oh my god, it's so done with the bronze. I'm just gonna use it as a blush as well. So the brush is so soft, it's look like make me fall asleep when I start applying it because it's really soft into my face. So okay, let's move on. Oh look, we have these edges too. So I'm gonna go ahead play with it and I'm gonna add bronze to my nose line as well. There you go. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, let's move on. What else we're gonna try for today's video? I think that's it. So I'm just gonna finish my lips, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, I love getting skincare to my monthly subscription beauty box. I really do love skincare. So I'm gonna update you guys on my next video about this Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream for our hair. So definitely I'm gonna love this. I love, oh, actually it smells really good too. This is the items that we didn't try for today's video. So the beauty blender is so soft. It's really nice when you start blending it to your face. So this is really good. Actually, this is good because I have one beauty blender that needs to be replaced. So this is the nice one that I got, a new beauty blender. And what else? The brush is so nice. When I start applying it to my face, it's really good, really soft, and I just love how it's soft and the color is beautiful. So I really love this brush. Look at that, it's so beautiful. The color is really nice. I like that color. And then the eyeshadow is really nice. It's really soft eyeshadow. when I notice it when I start applying to my eyelid, even I do not know how to do eyeshadow, it's easier for me to apply it to my eyelid. It's look nice, soft, and give those matte look into your eyelids. So this is really nice eyeshadow. So definitely gonna play more of this. If I have free time, I'm gonna play more of that. And actually, this eyeshadow is really expensive. $68 for this eyeshadow palette. So I'm definitely gonna play more of that to learn how to do eyeshadow. And then this makeup remover wipes, it's really nice. I love the smell. It smells really good. It give those smells like it's not too strong, not too it's really light smell, but it smells really good. This makeup remover wipes. So I'm excited to use this makeup remover wipes because I'm out of makeup remover wipes. So this is good. Finally, I got one for my box for my monthly subscription. So yeah, I'm so happy, and I think all of this is my favorite for this February box. Okay guys, I forgot, this is the regular box, not the BOXYCHARM box. So I got the regular box for this month. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get my BOXYCHARM because I got two subscription, the regular one and then the BOXYCHARM box. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.